Well, hello everybody, and welcome to Tucker Talks Tech. I'm John Snavely. I'm here with Brian Mayo, our local tech guru. Today we're going to talk about Open Home Pro. This is kind of a fun program that helps agents to track leads and register people at open houses, and it uses some technology wrinkles that add some fun to the game. So this is a fun way for agents to kind of connect with people when they come into an open house. How does it work?
Yeah, so what happens is agent buys the app and installs it on their iPad. This is an iPad-only device. And
how much is it going to cost me?
They just changed their model, and now it's just a flat $12 to buy the app, which is a little pricey for an app, what most people expect. But you know, it serves its purpose pretty well. Used to be they had some in-app purchase components, and it was cheap to buy, and then you had to buy the number of open houses, and now it's just a flat fee. But to get started, agents buy the app, install it, you enter your listings, whatever you're getting ready to have an open house on, and then as the open house starts, you just hit the start button here, and then when customers come in, they sign in on the iPad, and now it kind of replaces the pen and paper.
Nothing's going to happen really online. They're not going to pass my information to aggregators. It's not going to, there's not going to be an online connectivity. But there's going to be some emails go out. There's going to be some follow-up that the program will actually do for me.
Yep. Yeah, if you want it to, like I said, when they first register, it'll send the welcome email, and that's an option. And then afterward, if like you lower the price of the home, this app will take the database that it has in itself of the people that have registered, and it'll send a note out letting them know that the price has been reduced.
This is $12 a year, right?
No, just a one-time fee.
Oh, okay.
Just buy the app.
I buy the app for $12.
Yep, and then you own it.
Well, now one thing about open houses, for a lot of agents, this is a great way to develop buyer leads. Maybe people who aren't interested in this particular property, but this is a way for me to generate leads. I may not have any listings. I might hold somebody else's home open, and here's a chance for me to connect with some potential buyers, but I've got to get some information to do that, and that's not always an easy thing to do. So if I'm able to get them to participate in this, is there going to be some follow-up with email? Is there going to be any kind of automated stuff, or how's that going to integrate with my existing marketing plan?
Okay, yeah, so it will it'll send out a welcome email if you want it to. It will also tie into your existing systems by exporting the CSV file. But it doesn't have like its own complete contact management system in it. So you're going to want to use it in conjunction with something else, because you're going to want to be able to follow up with these clients in ways that are maybe, like you said, outside of just this particular property. You know, maybe they decide they don't want this property, but you've gotten them as a buyer.
And naturally, a CSV file is a comma-separated value file, which is the default for Excel, and which I can use in virtually all of my contact management programs.
Yeah, pretty much anything you have will accept that format.
I mean, how dweeby is this? Am I going to be writing code? Am I going to be typing C:\\\?
No.
I don't like that stuff. I don't want to do that.
Yeah, no, it's pretty simple. And even like the interface they have for uploading photos is pretty easy, because you can select multiple ones that are synced up to your iPad. And if you're using like an iPhone, or maybe you're using your iPad to take pictures, or you're uploading them to your computer, and you're using iPhoto, everything's going to flow back and forth. The photos are going to automatically be on your iPad, so it's pretty painless.
So this company reports that they get roughly double the open rate of somebody like a MailChimp or a Constant Contact. Is that because this is just more relevant information? Is it because I ask for it? Does it seem like it's a more timely thing?
Yeah, because I think that the subject line is going to be the property address. Obviously, it was something they were interested in, and it's a good way to make that new contact with the customer, whether it's when a price drops and an email goes out, or just some sort of follow-up that you have. Hey, did you have any other questions about it? If they had a couple questions you needed to get answered from the sellers,
Open Home Pro, great way to track some leads, or maybe you just want to get in touch with your inner dweeb. A lot of fun to do, and the price is right. might want to have a look at it. We'll be back next week with some new fascinating tidbit that we hope you'll find interesting. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks a lot.